You are listening to SDO Isabela radio-based instruction.
Learning never stops in Math Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned.
Hello, grade 6 mathematicians! I hope that everybody is doing well, healthy, and able to learn new things. I am so glad that once again, I am with you through this episode. I expect that everyone will listen and will actively participate throughout the whole episode of today's lesson. Can I count on that, dear learners?
Yay!
So now, may I request that each of you is seated comfortably? Make sure that you are all free from any distractions, so you may concentrate and at the same time, you may enjoy learning. Kindly get your pen, a clean sheet of paper, and your last entitled Solve Routine and Non-Routine Problems Involving Different Types of Numerical Expressions and Equations. Are you ready now?
Yay!
So, if that's the case, let's start the ball rolling. Are you aware of the 4 basic properties used to solve equations? These basic properties are beneficial for our topic for today. Let us take the first 2 properties, and they are as follows. First, addition property of equality. If the same quantity is added to both sides of an equation, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. And second, the subtraction property of equality. It says, if the same quantity is subtracted from both sides of an equation, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. To make it clearer, let's have an example applying these 2 properties. Then after examples, we will proceed with the other 2 properties. Okay, kids?
Okay!
Remember these key ideas in solving an equation. First, to solve the equation for x in the form x plus m equals n, where m and n are constants, subtract m for both sides. Second, to solve equations for x in the form x minus m equals n, where m and n are constants, add m on both sides. Do you understand, class?
Yay!
I know that this lesson is not this easy, but I'm pretty sure that if you listen well, you can do it. Now, kindly turn your glass on page 39 and read aloud problem number 1. A number is increased by 5 is 12. This sentence can be translated into mathematical equations as a number, meaning we are looking for a certain number. So we may let x be that unknown number. The next phrase in the problem is increased by. From the word increase, we use plus sign or addition. And for the phrase 5 is 12, we may use 5 equals 12. So we can write the equation x plus 5 equals 12. Looking back to the first key idea in solving problem, x plus m equals n, where m and n are constants, subtract m for both sides and applying the subtraction property of equality, stating that if the same quantity is subtracted from both sides of the equation, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Thus, x plus 5 equals 12. So we subtract 5 from both sides. Then it becomes x plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. Then, we perform the operations. X plus 5 minus 5 is equal to X. And 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, the resulting equation is X equals 7. That is the value of X. To check the solution, we just substitute 7 for X in the equation X plus 5 equals 12. So, if X is 7, then we will have 7 plus 5 equals 12. Add 7 and 5. What is the answer? That's right! 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, the value of X, or the value of the unknown number, is 7, because the equation becomes true. Always remember to add or subtract the constant on the side where the variable X is written. This time, we will tackle another two basic properties used to solve an equation. Kindly turn your last on page 38. Then let's read property number 3. Multiplication property of equality. It says that if both sides of an equation are multiplied by the same non-zero quantity, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. And property number 4, the division property of equality. If both sides of the equation are divided by the same non-zero quantity, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. With these properties, let us try to solve example number 1 on your last on page 40. Can you still follow, kids?
Yay!
Now, let us solve other kinds of equation. Let us be reminded of these key ideas given on page 38. Key ideas number 3 and number 4. May we read aloud? Okay, are you ready?
Yay!
Now, let us read. Key idea number 3. To solve the equation for X in the form X over M equals N, where M and N are constants, multiply both sides by M. And key idea number 4. To solve the equations for X in the form M times N, where M and N are constants, divide both sides by M. To understand better, turn your last on page 40 and let's solve example number 1. Are you ready?
Yay!
Example number 1. Solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 17. The first thing to do is to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. So, 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 17 minus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, so we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 becomes 2x. And 17 minus 3 equals 14. Thus, the equation becomes 2x equals 14. Applying the division property of equality, we have 2x divided by 2 equals 14 divided by 2. Both sides of the equation are divided by 2 since 2 is the numerical coefficient of x. So, 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. And 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So, the value of x equals 7. Let us check if 7 will satisfy the given equation. Copy the given 2x plus 3 equals 17. Then substitute the derived value of x, which is 7. So we have 2 times 7 plus 3 equals 17. Working on it, we have 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 3 equals 17. Is 14 plus 3 equals 17?
Yay!
Of course, they are equal. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 7. Can you still follow, kids?
Yay!
With all those examples, I know you are ready to answer exercise 1.
Okay!
Turn your last on page 47. Let me just make some corrections on the given equation. Kindly write down the correction for number 3.
Okay!
The given should be 2x plus 7 equals 25. Kindly erase 26 and write 25 instead. I'll repeat. In your last, it's 2x plus 7 equals 26, but erase 26 and write 25. So the equation is 2x plus 7 equals 25. Are you done with the correction?
Yay!
That's good. Now, I'm giving you 5 minutes to solve for the unknown. Do exercise 1, numbers 1 to 3 only. Show your complete solution, okay?
Okay!
Timer starts now.
Tayo ay mag-aral sa loob ng ating tahanan. Sa radyo ay mag-tune lang, tiyak ika'y may matututunan. Pagkat sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo pa rin ay magkaisa upang masigurong bawat bata ay pumapasa. Halina't matuto gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela. Pagkat kayo'y kinabukasan, ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Isa pusong pagkatuto ng matupad ang pangarap mo. Pagkat sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo pa rin ay magkaisa upang masigurong bawat bata ay bumabasa. Halina't matuto gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan
Time's up. Let us now check your answers. Remember to be honest in checking. It's okay not to get a perfect score. What I want is for you to learn. So, the equation for number 1 is n minus 4 equals 6. Now, you must find the value of n. What is your answer? Awesome! The correct answer is 10 because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Applying the addition property of equality. How about problem number 2? The given is 3x plus 2 equals 29. What value did you get for x? Wow! That's great! X equals 9 because 29 minus 2 equals 27. Then, 27 divided by 3 equals 9. You applied first the subtraction property of equality to remove 2 on the left side of the equation. 3x plus 2 minus 2 equals 3x. So, 29 minus 2 equals 27. Then, to eliminate 3, we apply the division property of equality. 3x divided by 3 is x. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. That gives us x equals 9. And for number 3, the given is 2x plus 7 equals 25. What is the correct answer? Amazing! The value of x is also 9. Applying first the subtraction property, we subtract 7 from both sides. So we have 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals 25 minus 7. Hence, we have 2x equals 18. Because 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals 2x, and 25 minus 7 equals 18. Then we divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. Therefore, in this problem, the value of x is also equal to 9. Is that clear, kids? May I know who got perfect? Good job, learners! For our second activity, I know that all of you will get a perfect score because I believe that you are now equipped in solving equations. Prepare a clean sheet of paper and pen.
Okay!
Find page 48 on your last and answer exercise 2, numbers 1 to 3 only. Are you ready now? You are again given 5 minutes to finish this activity. Find the value of the unknown in each equation. I'll repeat, you are required to answer numbers 1 to 3 only. Is that clear?
Okay!
Okay. Timer starts now.
Tayo ay mag-aral sa loob ng ating tahanan. Sa radyo ay mag-tune lang, tiyak ika'y may matututunan. Pagkat sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo pa rin ay magkaisa upang masigurong bawat bata ay pumapasa. Halina't matuto gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na Tayo'y kinabukasan, ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Isa pusong pagkatuto nang matupad ang pangarap mo. Pagkat sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo pa rin ay magkaisa upang masigurong bawat bata ay bumabasa. Halina't matuto gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela, tayo ng lahat makinig. Halina't matuto gamit ang ating radyo, pakinggan at unawain, aralin na ituturo. Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon. Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang maiiwan. Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela. Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na sa Radyo Eskwela. Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na sa Radyo Eskwela.
Tayo na!
Time is up. Let us check your answers now. What is the value of x in number 1? Excellent! The value of x in the equation x plus 6 equals 3 is negative 3 because negative 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Numbers, and the other is positive, you subtract the number and follow the sign of the greater one. So negative 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. How about for number 2? What is the value of x if the equation is x minus 10 equals 22? Excellent! The value of x in the equation x plus 6 equals 3 is negative 3 because x plus 6 minus 6 equals x and 3 minus 6 equals 3. How about for number 2? What is the value of x if the equation is x minus 10 equals 22? Exactly! X is 32 because x minus 10 plus 10 equals x and 22 plus 10 equals 32. Therefore, the value of x is 32. And for number 3, the given is x minus 27 equals 8 plus 10. What must be the value of x to satisfy the given equation? Yes, the value of x is 45 because 8 plus 10 plus 27 equals 45. The given is x minus 27 equals 8 plus 10, right?
Yay!
So, if the value of x is 45, 45 minus 27 is 18. And 8 plus 10 is 18. Thus, 45 satisfies the given equation. So for those who got perfect, you deserve a big round of applause. To those who do not, that's okay. I am so glad that you all participated well. May I see how many of you got the correct answer for the two problems? Congratulations, kids, for a job well done today. May I hear one more cheer?
Hooray!
Thank you, kids, for listening attentively and participating well in all the activities and exercises we did. I know that we are having a hard time thinking about what the future holds, but may we live with hope in our hearts, because once you choose hope, anything is possible. This quote is from Christopher Reeve. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Please do tune in always to Radio Eskwela. Let us always keep our fingers crossed that everything will be fine, that we can be in a normal way of learning soon, in God's perfect time. On behalf of our scriptwriter of this episode, who is yours truly, and the SDO Isabela RBI production team, this is Teacher Liza Biramento of San Mateo Vocational and Industrial High School, your radio teacher on air. Thank you and God bless everyone!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!